Many of the herbs and spices that you probably already have stocked in your pantry aren't just for adding flavor to your meals. They also have remarkable antimicrobial properties. Today we'll be reviewing common herbs and spices that have natural antibiotic effects. Beyond its anti-inflammatory and digestive benefits, ginger possesses antibacterial and antiviral properties, making it a potent addition to your pantry. Add fresh ginger into teas and smoothies for a zesty twist with added immune-boosting potential. This may help your body fight off respiratory infections such as bronchitis and sore throats. Ginger can also be beneficial for addressing gastrointestinal infections and upset stomachs due to its anti-nausea and antimicrobial properties. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, offers not only its distinctive golden color, but also strong antimicrobial properties. Curcumin has been studied for its antibacterial effects and may be used to combat various bacterial infections, including those of the digestive tract. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory properties make it a useful aid for relieving conditions associated with inflammation, which often accompany infections. Garlic is often considered the king of natural antibiotics. Garlic's active compound allicin has strong antibacterial properties and can be effective against various bacterial infections, including respiratory infections and foodborne illnesses. Because allicin is mostly inactivated by heat, it must be taken raw to get the maximum antibiotic effects. By the way, welcome to the old Mayfield place. I'm Snow, the farmer's wife and a pharmacist with more than 35 years of experience in both prescription and herbal medicines. I teach you to be more self-sufficient in so many ways, such as growing your own food, using herbal medicine, and preserving food for long-term storage. Oregano contains carvacrol and thymol, compounds known for their antimicrobial properties. Oregano is particularly effective against bacterial infections, including those caused by pathogens such as E. coli and Salmonella. It's often used as a natural antibiotic. Oregano's antifungal properties make it a potential remedy for fungal infections like candidiasis. It's important to note that while these herbs and spices can provide natural antimicrobial support, they are not a substitute for medical treatment when facing serious or chronic infections. If you suspect that you have an active infection, always consult with your healthcare professional that is trained in both herbal and prescription medications for the appropriate treatment. Cinnamon cinnamaldehyde compound may help combat various bacterial infections, including those affecting the respiratory and digestive systems. Cinnamon's antifungal properties can be useful in addressing fungal infections like athlete's foot and yeast infections. Rosemary's antimicrobial properties, due to rosmarinic acid, can be used to combat bacterial infections, including those related to foodborne pathogens. Rosemary-infused oils or ointments may help with minor skin infections or wounds. While honey isn't an herb or a spice, it has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for various health conditions, including skin infections. Its potential antimicrobial properties, wound healing capabilities, and ability to soothe irritated skin make it a popular choice for treating and preventing skin infections. In fact, there is a product called MediHoney that is prescribed by physicians to treat pressure ulcers and diabetic foot ulcers. Honey contains natural antimicrobial agents such as hydrogen peroxide, low pH levels, and high sugar content. These create an environment that is unfavorable to the growth of bacteria, fungi, and other microorganisms. This makes honey effective in treating and preventing skin infections. Honey promotes the healing of wounds and damaged skin. It stimulates the production of tissue-repairing cells and collagen, which helps wounds close faster and minimizes scarring. Honey also has anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce redness, swelling, and discomfort associated with skin infections. It can also relieve itching and pain. Thank you for stopping by the Old Mayfield place today. Stay healthy. Next time you think you might have an infection coming on, check your pantry and have a blessed week.